Ready to create something awesome in Illustrator? Let's dive in and make a killer brush that'll take your designs to the next level. First, grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Choose a color from the palette I've provided above. Now, duplicate this rectangle and move it right below the original one. Press I to activate the eyedropper tool, then pick a different color from the palette. Next, press Ctrl+D to duplicate the rectangle again. This command repeats the last action. Now, change its color. Keep pressing Ctrl+D to create more duplicates, changing the color each time. Once you have a nice strip of colored rectangles, select all of them and open the Brushes panel. If you don't see the Brushes panel, simply press F5 or go to Window Brushes. Drag the strip of rectangles into the Brushes panel and select Art Brush when prompted, then hit OK. The default settings will work fine, so just press OK again. You can now delete the original strip of rectangles. Select the Brush tool and start drawing with your new brush. You can experiment by adjusting the brush's uniform properties or applying it to different shapes. Draw a circle, apply the brush stroke to it, and watch your design come to life. You can also adjust the stroke size to suit your design needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs for more tutorials.